Okay, today I'm going to explore Capilano River Regional Park. I'm right at the entrance of the park, and I love these secret 3 parking stalls right at the entrance. If there's one available, I nab them right away because I love to start and end my hike right here at the entrance of the park. I find this one of the most beautiful parks in Metro Vancouver and so close to everything, really. So here I am at the entrance of the park. I'm going to walk down the road a little bit and right away get into Ryan and Hughes path. Very beautiful path right along the river, and then hit Pipeline Bridge, which crosses over. You now cross over into West Vancouver, and then continue on Pipeline, go up to have a look at the view of the dam, check out the giant fir trail and see some of those ancient trees, and then continue up towards the dam. And then we were now crossing from West Vancouver back into North Vancouver, and after the dam you can meander down, and right away you're at the fish hatchery, which is totally cool. And then we continue on down the path into the Coho Loop for a while, past the Pipeline Bridge again, back onto Ryan and Hughes path, and then right back out to the car. So there's a look of our hike for today. Looks like this ancient tree has lost a branch, came down and crashed into this fence. And if you look closely, you can actually see some fresh wood on this ancient tree. So it looks like it's lost a branch way up there. Came flying down. Incredible. Okay, that almost completes this amazing hike at the Capilano River Park. I'm just coming out of the trails, and getting back to the road. This is Pipeline, which I did not take. It's nice, but I find going in to the different trails closer to the river much more scenic. Look at that, garbage waste for dogs, lots of off-leash areas for dogs, and lots of on-leash areas. So here we are on the entrance. Most people park down there at the fish hatchery that we looked at. There's bus tours. It's a busy place in the summer. But in the winter today, nice and early in the morning, dead quiet. As you saw at the fish hatchery, there wasn't one person there. That's the time when I like to hike. Early in the morning. And just ahead, about 100 feet, is my secret parking. 3 or 4 spots right at the entrance of the park. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go seek your adventure today.